Good morning. Can I interview you for my YouTube video?
Hello.
Can I interview you?
You may, yes.
Yes. So I'm from Germany. Where are you from?
You're from Germany?
Yes.
I'm from Sydney, Australia.
Wow. I thought you were Americans because of the accent.
No.
So
Australian and
have
British.
you been in Europe?
I have been in Europe.
Because
yes.
for me this is a challenge here. I'm trying to find out what is more beautiful. So this area here in northern Pakistan or Switzerland. Have you seen Switzerland?
I have been to Switzerland, but for me it would have to be North Pakistan.
Yeah, sure.
It's so beautiful, fairy meadows.
You are
Hunza.
coming from the north right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are coming from the south. I'm going now where you came from.
Well, I think even you will be convinced that North Pakistan is so much better than Switzerland.
Okay.
So much better.
They are telling me the same, but I said it's hard to convince me.
But I have seen both and I am convinced.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Enjoy your holiday.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Look at the Pakistanis. Guys, look at these local Pakistanis. They heard something what they like and they're very happy.
Yes.
Hello guys, we just have crossed the border. We are now in Gilgit-Baltistan.
This is also province of Pakistan.
This is also a province of Pakistan, and
Next to
it looks like this. This place now is above 10,000 feet easily. Yeah, 3,200 meters. Yeah, have a look at this.
no fridge, no light.
They don't have electricity here, maybe,
Yeah.
and they don't have a they don't have a fridge, a freezer. Very nice. Hey, I want to have a bottle. I want to have a bottle. Give me a 7-Up. Call this guy. Call this guy. Call it here. Call him here. Call him here. I want to record him. Oh no, I'm calling this guy. I want to have a cold 7-Up. Oh. 40 रुपया किनसा? 30
₹40 दो
40 रुपये is for you. तोहफा.
फिर बोतल कर दो
खत्म हो गई. ठीक है खत्म हो गई. Yeah, this was a local Pathan. Huh? He was a Pathan, huh?
This is a Gilgiti.
He's a Gilgiti. Okay.
Balti.
Balti, yeah, Balti.
The Gilgiti,
Nice.
Gilgiti people. Balti.
They have also different mentality.
Yeah, different mentalities, different language,
Okay.
different culture.
Okay. Nice.
They look like a Pathan, but they call Baltis.
Okay. Okay. We enjoy our road trip and we continue our road trip. See you. Hello guys. We have reached the Lalusar Lake. Lalusar Lake. There you go. This is so quiet, empty, peaceful, no tourists or less tourists. You can take the best selfies here. Very good picture point, very good colors, amazing weather. Let's check the altitude. 3,380 meters above sea level. There's some sheep, goats. Oh, they painted them. Why they paint them? To mark it. Okay, very nice. You can do very nice swimming here. Yeah, there's no side. Come on, guys. Everywhere you say swimming is not allowed. Everywhere swimming is not allowed because they are afraid. I will play some wrestling with them in the water and then they love it.
Oh, donkey.
Another donkey? This is a local donkey.
Zabari.
Oh, he went to the... See, there are two people standing down. See, guys, there's a hiking trail. The trekking trail is over there. Very beautiful. Looks very risky, but it will be awesome. An awesome experience. Yeah. Now here you see some tourists, some Pakistani tourists. They all enjoy the view. Camping is not allowed. Chalo, jaan do. It's good. Okay, our next target is the Babusar top. Should be a very high place with less oxygen. But right now at this place also I feel here's less oxygen. But it's okay. See you later.